Uttar Pradesh, where there is terror of wolves, the bhedia as the locals say. The wolves here have been attacking children, the vulnerable essentially, particularly toddlers, younger children between the ages of 5 to 6, sometimes even the older population is what we have seen. There have been 10 deaths at least. Right now, the spot where I am, this is the exact place where a 2-year-old child, Pratibha, was taken away by the wolves a month ago. This happened on the 27th of July. To tell our viewers, we are in Bahraich, exactly where the child was taken away, and this is the place from where the wolves came. And right behind me, right here, if you can give you an idea about the house and also the spot from where the child was taken. I'll ask Sanjay to do a quick pan if he can to give you a sense of how things are. Pan on the house essentially, Sanjay, to show our viewers how in this particular area, this is a human settlement, remember, where the child was taken away from. The villagers here are completely worried, are distressed. In fact, one of the parents also of the child who was taken away has clearly said that this is the place exactly where they do continue to spot the wolf. They say on a daily basis almost. However, the officials have not taken note of this. They've got a compensation amount exactly today of 5 lakh rupees, just today of 5 lakh rupees. But the fact is that the terror, the menace continues. There are theories, there are lots of things being put together, said about why are children being attacked. Suddenly, why are wolves attacking children? We're going to explore that and much more with our experts. Our ground reports up ahead on the show. I'm Sneha Mordani. First, this report on this new theory that has been floated about revenge killings. There is in fact a sense, and the villagers are also talking about it, and so are the forest department officials, that 2 pups essentially of the wolves, 2 cubs essentially, were killed by an accident. Essentially, it was an accident, and that there is a sense that wolves are coming back again and again to this village, this very spot where I am right now, from this spot where the child was taken away. Wolves are coming back again and again to avenge these killings, is what the villagers here also believe, all of them here, and also the experts of the forest department. First, take a look at this report that talks about this very specific angle, exploring the reason behind the wolf attacks.
In the dead of the night, UP's man-eater wolves venture out from the shadows of the forest. Prowling through the villages of Bahraich, hunting for their next victim. The wolf menace has left several families devastated in Bahraich. But what has led to the pack wolves to enter human territory? Experts have warned of revenge killing.
कई बार प्रतिशोधात्मक भी होता है उनकी तरफ से कि यदि आदमी ने उनके साथ दुर्व्यवहार किया है या उनके बच्चों को मार दिया है तो वो कोशिश करते हैं, कई बार जो है रिटेलिएट करते हैं. अदरवाइज बहुत ही जेंटल और डोसाइल किस्म का जो है शर्मिला किस्म का जानवर होता है.
Wolves are unlikely to enter human settlements unless their habitat is encroached upon.
एक चीज ये है कि जैसे उनका हैबिटेट का लॉस जो सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर होता है, मान लिया वो अपने हैबिटेट तक नहीं आ रहा है. जैसे आपका क्षेत्र जो है हमेशा ये डूब क्षेत्र रहा है और वो डूब क्षेत्र के आसपास ही जो ऊंचे स्थल होते हैं उनमें रहते हैं. जैसे आपके तराई के जो क्षेत्र हैं इनमें इनकी संख्या देखी गई है और उनमें मान लिया पानी भर जाए, वैसी दशा में उनको वापस जाना पड़ता है, बार बार लौट के आते हैं. उसमें कई बार चांस इनकाउंटर हो जाता है. कई बार जानवरों का उनका कोई नियत नहीं होती कि हमें मारना है, लेकिन चांस इनकाउंटर होने से वो मतलब जो है एक बार जैसे उनको लगा कि ये इजी प्रे है, तो इजी प्रे के कारण जो है फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम हो सकता है कि वो चांस ले ले.
UP government's Operation Bhedia has led to the capture of 4 wolves, but more and more are still on the prowl, hunting and haunting. Villagers have been asked to take safety into their own hands.
जो लोगों से आग्रह करना चाहूँगा कि वो मतलब अपने दरवाजे जो हैं बंद रखे, यदि नहीं रखे तो कम से कम पहरेदारी कर लें. और यदि बहुत अपरिहार्य स्थिति उत्पन्न होती है वैसे केस में बच्चों को अपने साथ बांध के रखें, सोते टाइम उनको अकेले न छोड़ें.
But are the ropes bricks and walls enough to keep the predatory wolves at bay? Villagers shudder as the sun sets over Bahraich, praying and hoping there is no intruder at their door in the dead of the night. With Samarth Srivastava, Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, let's take our viewers right at the place, at the spot where the 2-year-old child was taken away. Now, why are these people sleeping outside the house? Remember that it's only now that these houses here, these small settlements here, many of them are kacha houses. This one isn't, but this exactly is the place where a lot of people sleep because there is no electricity at night. It's extremely hot and humid right here. Where else do they go? Even right now, you see people working right here at night. This exactly is the place where the child was picked up from and taken away from right here. I'm now, in fact, going to hand it over to my colleague Akshita, who's giving us a lowdown on how this theory, Akshita, has been floated about the fact that there were 2 cubs, essentially, that were hurt and killed eventually, and that's the reason why the wolves are coming back for humans.
Actually revenge attacks by wolves. Here's what experts have actually said. They've said that these wolves are aggressive because their pups have been killed. And recently this has happened. Now, reportedly 2 of these wolf pups were crushed by a tractor recently. Besides that, they've also lost habitat. Perhaps more villages cropping up has meant lesser hunting ground really for the wolves. It's because of these 2 factors that the wolves are extra aggressive and also targeting humans, which they don't usually do, and therefore seeking revenge unlike other predators. Something and a mannerism that's been tracked in wolves before. Hunting of children, therefore, is seen as an act of revenge over the fact that they've lost their pups. This is what experts have said is a possibility behind why wolves are targeting humans in this kind of a manner. Sneha, it's back to you for the latest from Ground Zero.
All right. Thanks for that, Akshita. Also, just to give a sense to our viewers where we are exactly right now, I was telling you about the 2-year-old child who was killed. And this exactly is the place, this place exactly is where the parents essentially of the child say that the wolves come back night after night. This is the same family that has got the compensation of 5 lakh rupees. But they say that doing something about this entire area, setting up a trap of sorts in this entire area will help their situation. But that's not being done just yet. I'm going to go straight across to my colleague Samarth, who's just in fact a little ahead of where I am right now, but the operations continue. It's Operation Bhediya of the UP administration of the government here of the Forest Department of Bahraich, where Samarth is right now. Samarth, the fight is to find now. That's the struggle, and that's the struggle, a very real struggle, given the nature of these animals, these wolves. They're unable to, in fact, get hold of 2 of those wolves who are missing, essentially. They're trying to track them down because these attacks here continue. So, obviously, there are more wolves behind these attacks, is the estimate. Give us a sense of what exactly is being done right now in Operation Bhediya, where you are right now.
Well, exactly. I must tell you that Operation Bhediya is going on in the nearby village, and the teams with the sharpshooters are inside 7 kilometers range where media is not allowed. The question is whether they'll be able to catch the wolf or not. But I'm currently in the Puri Prasad village of Bahraich at a place where an attack by the wolf happened, and I'm right outside that particular house. An old lady, an elderly, was severely hurt after the attack of the wolf, and you can clearly see the bed where she was sleeping when this particular attack happened, and wolf came in the wee hours and attacked her badly, and that's she's still recuperating, and that is the sense right here what she had to go through after the attack of the wolf. Also, there are many villagers. I'll also ask them क्या हुआ था, घटना किस तरह से भेड़िया यहाँ पे आया?
भेड़िया आया था इसी रास्ते से आया और ये यहीं लेटी थी, यही मच्छरदानी लगाए और वो आया, पकड़ लिया।
मच्छरदानी लगी हुई थी?
हाँ, लगी हुई थी। उसके 1 दिन पहले सर यहीं पे देखा गया था, यहीं पे। तो अच्छा, यहाँ पे देखा तो इधर भाग गया और उसके दूसरे दिन आया, बस इनको काट लिया। हम लोग यहीं चौकी पे बैठे थे।
मच्छरदानी थी तो भी उसने खींच के अटैक?
हाँ, तभी तो वो मच्छरदानी नहीं।
आप थे वहाँ पे? इधर आइए, आप थी वहाँ पे जब अटैक हुआ है? बाहर आइए, बाहर आइए। चिल्लाने की आवाज आई?
हाँ, चिल्लाने की आवाज आई। ससुर हमारे सो रहे थे, बगल में ही सो रहे थे, तो रात को आए बस मुंह से पकड़ ले।
You see the visuals right here, the way villagers are saying about the ordeal they had when the wolf came in from this particular place and entered the house and attacked. That's the dilemma of the villagers, how to fight against an animal which has become a man-eater. Back to you.
Well, absolutely. Now, there are orders from the Uttar Pradesh government that there should be shoot in sight, essentially, shoot at sight. And that is something that is going to be done. But right now, spotting the remaining wolves is a big challenge. 4 of them have been caught already. I'm going to thank you, Samarth, for getting in those details. Now, Samarth had sent us this report earlier. He's found the pug marks of the wolves as well. Now, this is a report that Samarth sent us earlier about how villages after villages here, and remember this entire area has a cluster of about 30 big and small villages. All of them are terrorized. Their lives have turned upside down given that there is terror of the wolves. In fact, right here just now, a few moments ago, there were children, and the children were afraid and they were refused to move an inch beyond. Like, I'm right here and they didn't want to move up until this much, an inch beyond where I'm standing, because this is the place from where the wolves come, is what all the villagers have essentially told us. First, take a look at this report that Samarth had sent us earlier, which also has the pug marks of the wolves.
As the terror of wolves is on in Bahraich, but the bigger question is, why have they become man-eaters? Why are they targeting the humans? As per the villagers, they never targeted humans in the past years. But as per the Forest Department of UP, wolves have the tendency to take revenge, and that could also be another theory why the wolves in Bahraich are attacking humans and have killed 10 persons so far. We are at the Nanpurwa village of Bahraich. As you see the visuals right here, this is a place where the habitual place of those attacking wolves is nearby, hardly 2 kilometers, and that has been flooded with the flood water. But also there is another theory that some villagers might have in a way collapsed their habitual place, and in that particular thing their child or one of the wolves could have been killed, and that's why they are taking revenge. And you can clearly see the footmarks of those attacking wolves which came here in the late night in the Bahraich village, and clearly see how they freely roamed around this particular village in the night hours. While at one hand press conferences are happening, ministers are coming claiming to catch the wolves, but this clearly shows, these footmarks clearly shows how these wolves, the attacking wolves, are still roaming free in these particular villages, and that's a big question. Also, some villagers right here claim they have seen and when they in a way flashed the light of the torch at that particular wolf, it ran away from that place. From this place, their habitual place is hardly 2 kilometers. That raises one question: what actually happened to those wolves and why they have started targeting the humans? क्या हुआ था?
रात में वही 9 बज रहा था, यहाँ दुकान के पास से गुजरा, फिर अंदर गया तो वहाँ शोर मचाया, लोग मतलब रपटाए। तो
दुकान के पास से किधर से गुजरा?
इधर से सर।
इधर से?
जी। और वही रात में 9 बज रहा था। फिर गांव में घुस गया तो वहाँ बकरी उकरी थी, तो वहाँ बकरी को मतलब ये कम नोचने लगा। उसके बाद गांव के सब लोग थे वहाँ रपटाने लगे।
यहीं पर पास में उसकी मांद भी बनी है?
नहीं, वो चाहलारी घाट में मतलब उधर है रेत में। जी सर।
तो अब है नहीं है?
पता नहीं कट गई कि है, ये नहीं पता।
कहानी निकल के सामने आ रही है कि भेड़िए में बदला लेने की टेंडेंसी होती है। आप गांव वाले कैसे देखते हैं इसको? क्या उसके साथ आप क्या मानते हैं?
बदला तो कोई भी लेना सोचता है ना अपने, तो वो लोग भी सोच रहे होंगे ना बदला लेने के लिए। अब 2 महीना पहले हमारे बच्चे को पकड़ के लेके आया था, यहाँ हम लोग छीने थे।
अच्छा, भेड़िया आपके बच्चे को उठा गया?
बच्चा सलामत है, जिंदा है।
कहाँ चोट आई?
उसके यहाँ कमर में और गर्दन में, दांत वात उसके लग गए थे। फिर उसकी दवा पानी कराया, अभी जिंदा है।
जुताई कर रहे हैं आप खेत की, आपको पता नहीं है और पीछे गलती से।
जैसे आज जंगल इलाका है तो गाड़ी तो चलती ही है, गाड़ी चलती है तो रात होती है तो जुताई, जब जुताई की समय होती है तो जुताई होती है, मतलब बराबर जुताई होती है। लाइट में कहीं चक्का तेरे भाट पड़ी, पलटा का चल रहा है, हर भाट पड़ी नहीं, इनका आदमी पड़ा उठा पड़ा है, हो सकता है कोई भी खतरा हो सकता है।
उसके जद में उस मांद के नीचे उसका बच्चा भी हो सकता है।
हो सकता है।
Why These wolves became man-eaters. To find the truth, we are India Today TV is on the ground to find the ground reality, and we are near and at the most dangerous place of Bahraich, where there is 190% possibility of man-eater wolves to be present, and we are moving to the habitat place of those wolves to find out what actually happened to the wolves or their habitat that they began attacking the animals, because they were here for years but never attacked the humans. Then what led these wolves to attack the humans and make their prey? Come with me and find the truth on India Today TV. यही रिपोर्टिंग है, यही रिपोर्टिंग. To find the truth why the wolves became man-eaters, we have reached at the ground zero where their habitual place is, the most dangerous place of Bahraich right now, because this is the place from where the wolves started hunting down the humans. And the place, you can clearly see how difficult it is for us to stand here. Even there are different insects, dangerous insects in a way biting our legs, but we are here on the ground to show you the ground reality. You can clearly see a sugarcane, proper lush green area where there is hardly, very difficult to move around at one place to another, but the habitual place is right next to me, and the next visual cameraman Neeraj will show you from here will be the place where those man-eater wolves were present, used to stay. And this was this is the place which is currently destroyed with the flood water. As you can clearly see, this stick is going deeper inside. That clearly tells the story how badly their home place is collapsed, damaged, and due to flood water especially. And that's why that could be one reason why the wolves became irritated and started hunting down the animals, attacking the humans. So that's a bigger thing. Another logic here comes that with this flow of water, there could be a scene where the children of those wolves would have been killed or severely injured with this water. That could also another reason why the wolves are taking revenge from the farmers, from the villagers, especially their kids, targeting them from this place, because they have no place to stay now with this place completely damaged. Now they are moving to the villages, attacking the humans. आप लोगों ने यहाँ पर क्या कुछ देखा है? पहले
सर मैंने देखा जब गन्ने में सिंचाई कर रहे थे, जब पानी इस खेत में हम लोग डाले तो इनके घर में पानी चला गया, फिर उसमें से बहुत सारे बच्चे निकल कर भागे, हम लोग सारे लोग देखे मिले।
आपने भागते हुए देखा?
जी सर।
खेत में खेलते देखा है, इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चे, चौड़ा कितने इसमें से निकले और खेतों में मतलब पानी भर गया इनके घर में, तो ऐसे पूरे खेत में कूदने लगे। हाँ मतलब छोटे छोटे देखे थे।
लोगों पे हमला नहीं करते?
नहीं, वो छोटे से थे, छोटे छोटे बच्चे। उनके मतलब जो बड़े वाले थे वो थे नहीं इसमें, छोटे छोटे पानी जब भरा तब निकले इसमें से और खेत में मतलब ऐसे कूदने लगे पूरे खेत में। इतना गन्ना था छोटा सा तब की बात।
उसके बाद फिर क्या हुआ?
अब इसके बाद ये मतलब पानी खत्म होगा फिर रहने लगे। मतलब 4 दिन बाद जब देखे तो इसको फिर साफ किए थे, मतलब ये भाट को, मतलब फिर मिट्टी उट्टी निकाले फिर रहने लगे थे।
वन विभाग के मुताबिक आपको बता दूं मैं कि अगर उनके साथ कुछ ऐसी घटना हो जाए तब वो अटैकिंग हो जाते हैं यूजुअली।
जी।
कुछ आप लोग की नॉलेज में ऐसा कुछ है?
नहीं नॉलेज में नहीं है,
आपके गांव में नहीं है? जी। The bigger point is what the forest department is going to do to capture or kill those wolves is going to be worth seeing. But this place clearly tells the ordeal also of those wolves, because home is a place where we stay, and if home is taken from us, there is a sense of irritation, anger, and also revenge. With cameraman Neeraj Kumar and Rambaran Samad Srivastava for India Today.